All right, we're on Warwick and Royal Oak. We're working our way back from the city sewer. We're going to note here that we have multiple breaks in the line. And we're going to try to show those to you as we pull back here. So there's the head of the hydro jetter. We had a crack right at the city tap that was significant. And so now you're going to start to see this line here. It's very difficult to see on the camera, but there's a crack right there that's relatively significant. We're going to keep kind of working our way back. All right, now this here, we've got a big break there at the joint. Good amount of just roots kind of coming in at that joint. More cracking here. These here look like stress cracks to me. How do you feel about that on the top there?
Look at the right of the screen.
Oh yeah, we got that breaking that line there, so that we can assume that's stress fracture there.
Right, just above its nose.
Yep. So we got a good line of crack here, and I think as we come back, we saw some of that on the left-hand side. I don't remember. Yep, there we go. So that line there was part of that crack. So we got damage there. That was where we were about 40 feet, I think, out, correct?
Yeah, right here.
So as we pull back even further, like I said, it's a little hard to see on my screen, but we can see it pretty clearly on the camera here. We've got more breaks there. So it's more and more significant as we move through. And partially, some of those cracks and breaks were underneath the actual concrete outside and in the street. So
Rough measurement.
still see okay or am I in your way?
Very good. Everything else cleaned up really well.
Yeah, it did clean up beautifully with the hydrojet. And now we are out, or coming out. So this is all cast that we're seeing right now. And so the cast to the out to the foundation line is all in beautiful shape. So that's not the concern here, but the concern is that we've got enough significant breakage in the clay line outside to justify a full tear out and replacement. We agreeing with that?
You're about 40 feet out, we're seeing cracks, so it's pretty close to the curb.
So from the curb to the house needs to be replaced, is that what I'm understanding?
No, from basically the house near the curb is okay, had cleaned up real well. Beyond that, about the 40 feet and beyond is where the
Right, but
cracks start.
as far as our discussion, we know that the clay is not going to get any better over time.
Right.
So the recommendation, I
Require
think,
a lot of maintenance or replacing.
right.
So is that under the road?
Yeah, those cracks and breaks are, a good amount of them are under the road. Which means you're going to be tapping into the main sewer, working your way back underneath the street through the yard.
Want me to pull that back in?